ಇದೇ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾದ್ಯಂತ 10 ಹೊಸ ಶೋರೂಂಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯಲು ಓಬೆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಶೋರೂಂಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ರಾಯಸ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮಾ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯು ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿದೆ. ಭಾರತದ ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ ಆರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ ಚಾಲಿತ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಉತ್ಪಾದಕ ಓಬೆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಈ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ 10 ಹೊಸ ಶೋರೂಂಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಬೇರುಗಳನ್ನು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಭದ್ರಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯದ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಕರಿಂದ ರಾಯಸ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮಾಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತಿರುವ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಓಬೆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಾಜ್ಯದಾದ್ಯಂತ 6 ಶೋರೂಂಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೂ 10 ಶೋರೂಂಗಳನ್ನು ತೆರೆಯುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ನಗರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸುವ ಗುರಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಓಬೆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಎಚ್ಎಸ್ಆರ್ ಲೇಔಟ್, ರಾಜಾಜಿನಗರ, ಸಿಂಗಸಂದ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಬನಶಂಕರಿ ಎಂಬಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಶೋರೂಂಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚುತ್ತಿರುವ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಬಳಕೆಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ರಾಜಧಾನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಲವಾದ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ಗಳ ಲಭ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸುವ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನ ಮಹತ್ವಾಕಾಂಕ್ಷೆಯ ಯೋಜನೆಗೆ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿದೆ.
A lot of hard work, R&D, as you know that Oben Electric stands for, we are a R&D driven organization. First our journey started that let's get the basics right. And what is the basics? The basic is first get the bike acceleration, the technology, the battery technology, safety, the driving experience, sturdiness of the bike. That is the basics. So that was our first motto, that first we get the basics aspect of any not just any automobile, right? Because it has to stay for especially for personal mobility. So it has to stay for long, 7, 8, 10 years, and that gives that look and feel of the bike or car or any automobile, right? So there is a lot of R&D which is done so that this paint, this color we have achieved. Any of our colors if you see, but we have introduced red this time. So that is also, we are very excited about this, and there is a very good response around that. And then definitely there is a reverse mode which also in EVs are very prevalent, which makes it more easy and convenient for the consumers to ride. And as you see, this Roar Easy Sigma more stands for being a bold, tech-heavy kind of high-tech product. That's what we have introduced. And as you will see as we move forward, also we will be bringing similar, better experience for consumers while driving. And you will see more of us doing a lot of action with the bike, where there will be a lot of new features and technology introduced in the bike. And right now with this new launch, we are looking forward to expanding our distribution. This year you will see that we will end the year with 100 plus stores pan India, and right now we are at a current store level of 50 stores, very soon touching 70 and then 100 by end of the year. That is the current plan we have. As you already know that our manufacturing facility is very well equipped to kind of cater to the volumes that we are planning for this year. We are like having a 1 lakh kind of a capacity currently installed, which is in Jigni, Bangalore. And there are many other models which is going to come, which we will keep you posted. That many more action in Oben side. A lot of R&D we are doing. There are different R&D in the battery side, as already we are the pioneer in LFP battery chemistry. We are the only player who has cracked this engineering problem to integrate LFP in two-wheelers, and that too motorcycle, which is a very, very complex product. So I think that we are already ahead in the game of LFP. Whole world is now talking about LFP. If you see lithium ferrous phosphate, which is known for its safety, reliability, high heat resistance, more cycles, for which consumers getting more life of the battery. This is more safer because it has heat resistance, and more of work is being done to make it much further better. Battery chemistry, then of course the motor, as you must be doing, that is again designed in-house, and we are doing a further, a lot of R&D is being worked around that to make it much superior. And right now, currently in the segment, we have the highest torque motor, and I think we are working towards bringing much better technology to the consumer. And